See that little round tab? See that little clip and then has a round thing inside of it? That's just like this one right here. Oh, where did it go? This one right here. They're both identical. This is hot. If this overheats, that'll open up saying, hey, I'm overpressurizing or overheating. That one there, where it's located, I don't know if that's for freezing or not on that one. That's a pressure one on the high side. And there's actually numbers on it. I read them. Right there. 24 volts, so we know 24 volts is going through it. PSI, 488 PSI. So when it hits 488, it shuts the unit off. This one has a sticker on it. Can't read what that one says. But that's another pressure one. Oh, so we gotta see. We're looking for this white one. I don't remember it being that thick, but I thought it was just white paint on a